Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna make a chocolate souffle. I woke up early this morning, so I made waffle with whipping cream on top, and I put some blueberries on it, and I put some syrup. Okay, first of all, we need to go to the grocery store to buy some ingredients that we're gonna need for our chocolate souffle. So we're on our way to the grocery store. So we're able to buy the complete ingredients at the grocery store. So we're gonna need milk, egg yolk and egg white separated, sugar, cream of tartar, we need flour, vanilla extract, and cocoa powder. Let's get started. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So melt your butter in a saucepan. You can add the flour, keep on stirring. You can add the salt. You can add your cocoa powder. You can also use a chocolate bar and melt it if you don't have a cocoa powder. And then keep on stirring, and then add the sugar. You can add the milk gradually until all your dry ingredients have been dissolved, and mix it well. Mix the egg yolks with the fork and add a small amount of the cooked mixture to temper the yolks. So what does temper means in baking? Temper means is simply a process of slowly warming the eggs before introducing them to your recipe so they can mix smoothly. Once you're done mixing, you can go ahead and grease your pan and beat your egg using an electric mixer. So this is a mixture of egg white and a cream of tartar. So the purpose of using cream of tartar is to help stabilize whip the egg whites and prevent sugar from crystallizing, and acts as a leavening agent for baked goods. So after beating the egg whites and cream of tartar to the stiff bake stage, you can now fold the cooked mixture into the stiff egg whites. So gently fold it until you completely mix all the ingredients together. So you can now scoop your mixture to the pan. Make sure your pan is greased just like what we did earlier before putting it to the oven. And after scooping, you can bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. our chocolate souffle is ready. You can now take it out of the oven. You can put some powdered sugar if you'd like. Design it with a cocoa powder or put some strawberries on it, ice cream, whipping cream. It depends on your preference. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Share this recipe with your family. See you on my next vlog.